Welcome, friends, and come with me as we tour my garden today. And thanks, Susie, for these awesome gloves. I love them. This is my first time in my life having a raised bed garden, and I have so much to learn. Nature is so generous and forgiving, and I'm the lucky one. My sister Gogi shared her knowledge with me on showing me how to string up tomatoes and hunt for those big honkin' tomato worms. Who knew? The hollyhocks were a volunteer. I thought it was going to be broccoli or something that I could eat. I was surprised to see these beauties. A cut flower garden. Who knew it would become this big, huge jungle of flowers? I don't know all the flowers' names yet, but I'm fascinated by the intricate detail and flair they have. Flowers within more flowers within more flowers. What will be my color scheme today? I'll let nature decide. Bright and lively it is. Very often, after I've finished all my tasks in the garden, something holds me there just to linger a while. And those bees never cease to amaze me at how hard they work, day in and day out. I just love them.
What you doing?
Where's your basket? Come in, Shawna.
Are you collecting some tomatoes, Isla? Oh, some flowers. I don't know what kind of melon this is.
These are the boots I'll be reviewing today. I've tried them all, and I have experience wearing them now, so I can talk a little bit about them. This first pair is from Victoria Trading. It's an online store. I love their merchandise. It's very Victorian style, and these boots are great if you just want to have something a little more feminine when you're in the garden. They have a velvety smooth interior, so they're easy to slip on. Now, I wear a 6.5, but all of these boots I'm showing are size 7, as they don't come in a half size. They cost $89 online, plus you might have to pay shipping. I think I got mine free, but they have the nice detail in the contrasting hunter green color with the stretching band on the side, so they're easy to pull on and off. That's important. And they're very sturdy, so they're easy to slip on to go feed the chickens or run out to the garden and pull a few weeds. Just so you know, I'm not an affiliate for any of these brands. I just wanted to show the boots because there's some that I like better than others. This next brand is Walmart's brand, and that's George. And these are size 7s. They don't have half sizes either. And they have a larger opening at the top for a bigger calf or to fit your jeans in, which I really like. Now these were marked at $20, but when they rang them up at the register, they came up for $24.98. So be sure you watch that if you do decide to go buy these. What I like about these is they're great for the whole family. They come in all sizes, men's, women's, and children's, and they're very affordable. So what do you think? My family went out and bought several pairs, so we always have something for someone who comes to visit. The Hunter brand was purchased on Amazon for $99, and these are a very stylish boot. They have the Hunter logo on them as well as a decorative buckle on the side. It's not functional for anything other than being decorative as far as I'm concerned. They're very tight on my upper calf, so they scrunch up my you can see my legging is scrunching up, it can't fit down inside, and the buckle is just there for looks. I love the color of these, the hunter green, and I love the way they fit. They're very comfortable when I have them on, but they do get a little bit tight, and if you're out working the garden all day, that could be an issue. Otherwise, these boots are very well made, and if you are tall and slender, these might just be the perfect boots for you. But for someone who's short and a little squatty like me, I don't know if I would recommend those. One of the most important factors for me in a garden boot would be ease in putting it on and taking it off. Now you'll see here that I needed a little bit of help getting this one off.
Wait, hold on.
Review. I can't get this one off.
I'm gonna close this.
Wait, come and help me. Okay, get your boots on.